Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Lego set 40203 Vampire and Bat. It has 150 pieces. Looks like a pretty cool set for the Halloween season. Let's open it up. Look how cute the bat is. I didn't know bats could be so cute. A lot of dark bluish gray, black, purple. Love those pieces. Oh, there's the eyes. So 3 bags of parts. I've got an instruction booklet here. And there's that other funny pilgrim set. I didn't pick this one up. I'm just not too sure about it. It's kind of creepy. What do you guys think? Let me know. Should I get it? I don't know. There's the parts for the vampire and bat. So that's what's in the box. 3 bags of parts, an instruction booklet. Thanks for watching.